Hey, you guys! It's Austin Glen Temple here. And give me a second. Okay, this is Bear now. Oh, so anyway, today I went to the Family Dollar and I bought three things. Actually, four. I bought these box of nerds. That's a good shit. Well, anyway, here are some things that okay, the first one I got is Walking with Dinosaurs. Here's the movie. I know. Real nice, huh? Oh, yeah. I just got bubblegum in my mouth. Next is the men's glove. Because they're so manly. Oh, wait. One. Ba 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 ba. So nice. Along with the along with these black gloves. Nice, huh? I think I should take him out reviewing the last one. And the last one I got is a new alarm clock. You got the plug and backup batteries, just in case. Warning. I also got these instructions. I'm glad they don't have anything that's Spanish. Well, that's everything I had to show ya. And I'll be taking a break next week. I think you did once the break means I'm gonna be taking a break. And I'll return with some new Flip-A-Clip videos. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Before it stops, check out this clip of see how these two will fight each other for a dog.